Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ferdi Afdal Saputra. I will explain my opinion about the results of the match between Indonesia versus Bahrain. My opinion, the results of the Indonesia versus Bahrain match which ended in a draw was enough to amaze Indonesian supporters because they saw players from Indonesia who were extraordinary but in a exciting competition. There were several incidents that made Indonesian supporters disappointed because the Bahrain team cheated, which made Indonesia experience a decrease in potential to maintain their position, which ultimately allowed Bahrain to retaliate and carry out a counter attack on Indonesian defense. After the match, many Indonesian supporters were angry and did not accept that Bahrain was cheating, and they even attacked the social media account of the referee who officiated the match. Okay, I'll talk about simple present tense. What is meant by simple present tense? Simple present tense is a form of tense that is used to express events that occur regularly, routinely, or are usually carried out in the present. What does it mean now? Present in simple present tense means now, then simple means simple, and tense is the form of the verb according to the time period used. Next, when should we use simple present tense? Kapan digunakannya simple present tense? Present tense is used when someone wants to express an event or general fact that is happening right now. Apart from that, the simple present tense is also used in the conditional sentence type 0 and conditional sentence type 1. Sentence patterns followed by the simple future tense. The following is the structure of the sentence. So, we can say a sentence if it consists of the following three things. Number 1, subject. Number 2, predicate. And number 3, complement. Okay, next. Simple present tense formula atau rumus dari simple present tense. A sentence can be verbal or nominal. So, what is called a predicate is not always a verb. In a verbal sentence, after the subject is followed by the verb. Meanwhile, in nominal sentence, after the subject will be accompanied by a noun verb, which we usually know as a auxiliary verb or to be auxiliary verb. What is the simple present tense formula? In general, the simple present tense formula is subject plus verb 1 s atau es plus complement for positive sentence with verbal patterns. If the pattern is nominal, then the present tense formula becomes subject plus auxiliary verb to be plus complement. Okay, next. Nominal simple present tense. How do we make simple present tense? The following is a simple present tense formula that we can use for positive subject plus to be plus complement. For negative subject plus to be and plus not plus complement. Next, for interrogative, to be plus subject plus complement. Dari ketiganya itu untuk yang plus itu ada subjek ditambah to be ditambah complement, dan untuk yang negatif ada subjek ditambah to be ditambah not ditambah complement, dan untuk yang yang tanda tanya itu diawali dengan to be lalu ditambah dengan subjek lalu diakhiri dengan complement. Below is an example of a simple present tense with a nominal sentence pattern. For positive, I am a student. For negative, he is not a student. For interrogative, is he a student? Okay, next. Verbal simple present tense. The formula positive, negative, and interrogative of the simple present tense for verbal patterns is positive subject plus verb 1 plus s atau es plus complement. For negative, subject plus do atau does not plus verb 1 plus complement. For interrogative, do, does plus subject plus verb 1 plus complement. Positive simple present tense. Examples of simple present tense sentence: I will in Bekasi. He lives in Bekasi. Negative simple present tense, especially for negative sentence and interrogative sentence. Yes, do atau does, or do not atau don't, and does not atau doesn't. Example, I done in Jogja. It doesn't in Jogja. Okay, for simple present question atau interrogative. Example, do I student? Yes, I do. Does he student? Yes, he does. Okay, next. What are the examples of sentence from the simple present tense? For positive sentence, add 5 example. Number 1, I go to school every day. Number 2, he loves to play basketball. Number 3, we make the cake for my birthday every year. Number 4, he goes to school. Number 5, you sing beautiful songs every night. For negative sentence, and example 5, number 1, he doesn't work hard. Number 2, I don't like tea. Number 3, you don't need to worry about me. Number 4, she doesn't read the magazine every week. Number 5, she doesn't use a computer. For interrogative sentence, at 5 expel 2. Number 1, does he read an email? Number 2, do they live nearby? Number 3, is your sister a teacher? Number 4, do we have a meeting today? Number 5, where does he come from? Okay, next. What are the characteristics of simple present tense? Number 1, using verb is basic verb atau infinitive or familiar irregular verbs. Example, I play badminton every afternoon. Play is a verb in its base form. Number 2, use auxiliary word atau auxiliary verb, namely do or does. For verbal sentence in negative and interrogative form. Example, she doesn't eat fruit. Doesn't, does not, auxiliary word in negative form for the subject she. Do you like vegetables? Do, auxiliary word for question with the subject you. Number 3, in the simple present tense too, there are usually adverbs of time such as always, usually, often, rarely, never, every week, every day, or week, or year. Example, I always drink water in the morning. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.